how to download credit report from Transunion in Canada. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can download credit report from Transunion in Canada. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Transunion website on your laptop or PC and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on Get Your Credit Report. Now, if you already have an account of any one of these, simply click on that website and you will be able to download your credit report. If you don't have one, then scroll down and click on Get a Statutory Report. Now you have to enter your information and then click on Next. Now you have to do your ID verification and then click on Next. Over here, you will be able to access your credit report. Now, if you want to download it, simply click on Save as PDF and it will be downloaded. So that's how you can download credit report from TransUnion in Canada. That's all for this video.